Okay, here we are for part two of the James Street edition. I am starting out here in the basement in the unfinished space. This is the new electrical panel to provide power for the additional space. The rest of this area is unfinished. There was some work in the ceiling here for ductworks and things of that nature, but not a whole lot of interesting stuff to see. So now we're going to walk into the basement area, which is now a playroom, which is actually pretty cool. They got their kids' toys all on the bookshelves over there. Over here is going to be, eventually they're going to do a cut through that goes into the bathroom, but as of right now that's on hold. That's the door we just came out of for the storage. There's a closet for just random storage. Another closet. This leads to under the stairs, which is also got the new sump pump, which you can see there. And then as you're looking at this opening, that opening and that wall that you're looking at is the old foundation. So that opening wasn't there, and that's where we cut through the cement to add on the basement addition and the foundation for the upstairs and stairway area. We got new windows down here. And then we are going to go up the stairs. I'm going to show you the railing here. This is the first railing in the basement. They elected to do finished stairs, so you've got the oak treads with the painted risers, and this is matching their existing stairway, which I'll show you in a little bit. So now, as we work our way up the stairs, you can see. Just keep in mind, every window that you see is new, so that's kind of where we're at with that. I'm going to show you. This is their laundry area. It's kind of a tight spot here, so I'm going to go out around so you can see kind of a different view of that. If you look down, you can see the homeowner actually did the built-in on the bottom. It's pretty cool. Got the legs on there and whatnot. And we hung the top, we hung the cabinets, all the paintwork. And I'm going to spin you back around here so you can see. This is the new back door with the new built-in cabinetry which the homeowner also did. And then you've got new window, another window going all the way up there, vaulted 2-story. And then I will take you back here so you can see the second floor stairs match the first floor. A little longer rail on this one. Didn't have to deal with the ceiling in the basement. And then I'm going to walk you through. You can see here there's a couple of new windows that we installed. There's a daughter. And the ceiling height in here got raised up about 6 to 8 inches. So we had to retrim the top of his built-ins. Now he did the built-ins himself, but the trim work was stuff that we did there. I'm going to walk you through over to the dining room. In the dining room, the wall where you see those two pillars, that was a complete wall. It was all walled off. So we opened that all up. We added a header going across to support the weight upstairs, and then we trimmed it out to the homeowner specs. Alright, now I'm going to walk you through up over to the front porch. I'm going to show you the trim work on the front porch. New windows. Got new windows going all the way around. New screen door. And then all of the trim work in here, tie-in into the ceiling. The homeowner actually did the bottom half of the trim work, but we did the top. And then I'm going to show you, this is the staircase that we were matching from before. You can see it's a pretty good match. And I'll walk you upstairs to show you what we did up there. Get to the top of the stairs here. This is all under the original configuration, so the homeowners, or this room, the homeowners had the front window refinished, and then this window here is a new window. And then we added a light, and we painted the ceiling. And that's what we did in this room. In this room here, new window, refinished window, new light. And then, of course, we brought everything up to code with new smoke detectors in all the bedrooms. And then, as you can see, I'm going to back into this room here. This is the stairs we just came up. When you originally came up, there was a door here, which led to the master bedroom. And then there was the door to the bathroom for the second floor. So our new configuration, you can see that we open that up, and now leads to the master suite and the spare bedroom. Now I'm going to take you into the spare bedroom and show you it from the other side. There was a window here that got covered up, and then that was a wall where we added a door, and that was the door where we added a wall. And now I'll let you take a look here. This is an existing door, and this is the trim that they had on the existing door. And then that was a new door with the trim that we made to match. So now I'm going to walk you into the new hall bath. And I'll turn the lights in here. It's a new hall bath. I'm going to have to kind of stand out there because I've got a clawfoot tub, I'm sorry, which you can't really see, but we refinished that as well. You can see it now. Refinished that. Add the new plumbing for it. All the tile work in here was done by our guys. And then coming on this side, you can see we added a closet. Behind the door that you walked in is the toilet. Another cool thing that we did here is on this wall, you can see that the space is kind of limited because of the mirrors in the shower and whatnot. So on each side of the vanity, I'm sorry, not on each side, on one side of the vanity, we had an outlet, so that way you can plug your stuff in, whatever it is. Actually, I'm sorry, we can't do it on both sides because of the tub. You can't have that close to the water. So now I'm going to take you out of the bathroom into my favorite room, master suite. As you walk in, you can see you got a vaulted ceiling. That's a support beam going across that we drywall wrapped. The whole room has got board and batten trim. You can see back through where we just came. And then the homeowner did the built-in here. He made all of this himself. And you got your fireplace. We ran a chase for him so that he could run all of his components, DVD player, cable box, and into the closet. So that way, all you see out here is the TV, and it's in its own framed-in spot. You can look out the balcony there, and that's the little balcony that, as you can see from now, that's not that deep, but it's there for decorative purposes and to keep you from falling out. Alright, now I'm going to take you into the master closet. Sorry it's so dark, give me 1 second to get the light. Homeowners did the closet kits themselves, but as you can see, they maximize the space. There's a lot of storage in there. A lot of storage. Walk around here, more double hungs over here. There's lots of storage. And then the final room is the master bath. You can see, got a double vanity in there. The shower is tiled. Got a glass frameless shower. From the shower door up. Little shower shelf. And if you look over here, got a little built-in for shampoos and whatnot. And then we got the tub. Did a Corian top on the tub. So that's what you're looking at there. And the toilet. So this job's complete. I hope you guys have enjoyed the progress of watching it go from where we started to where we're at now. And keep following us on Facebook. We have a lot more projects going and a lot more to look at. So thanks. We'll see you on the next one.